Hey guys, okay, so it's that time of year again. It is time for our annual Christmas updates video. The video where I talk through council's planned office closures and our planned office closures so you can kind of get a feel for what to expect over the silly season and therefore manage clients' expectations accordingly. So, first and foremost, council. They are going to be officially closed from the 23rd of December through to the 6th of January. However, like every single year, they are going to be operating on skeleton staff in the week prior and at least the week, if not 2 weeks after, as staff naturally tack on some additional leave to make the most of their holidays, to have the opportunity to really switch off and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, whilst they will be closed officially and not answering inquiries and all of that sort of stuff from the 23rd to the 6th, we will find that the wheels are kind of moving slow from that week before right through to 2 weeks after. And then, hey, let's be real, it may even go a little bit further than that because we're all humans at the end of the day and we take a little bit of time to get the wheels in motion again once we're back from a long holiday break in the festive season, all of that sort of stuff. So that's council. From our perspective, we're going to officially close from the 19th through to the 12th. And then we're going to kind of be in ghost mode, let's just say, for the week after that. So right through to, I think it's the 19th, we're going to technically be in the office, but we're going to try and avoid any non-urgent inquiries, new jobs, all of that sort of stuff. So we can take the opportunity, as I love to do every single year, to take a step back and work on the business rather than in the business. Because as always, I have a bucket load of things that I want to achieve in terms of improving customer service, improving the quality of the reports that we submit to council, all that sort of stuff, just to get things running a little bit smoother and better for our clients next year. So yeah, keep that in mind in this next kind of however many weeks as we lead into Christmas. Things are going to start to slow, then things are going to stop completely, and then they will take a bit of time to get back up and running. And I think probably from the 19th, we're going to find that everyone's back in work mode and it's business as usual. Just something to keep in mind. Okay, I think that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always like to say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.